Welcome to day 24 of the Momentum Blueprint. And today we're talking about authority through education, specifically how teaching through your content builds trust, credibility, and long-term income online. One of the biggest mistakes people make when posting on social media is thinking authority comes from having a massive following or being an expert at everything. Authority actually comes from helping people understand something they didn't understand before. People don't follow you because you post. They follow you because you help them. And the fastest way to help someone is to teach them something simple they can immediately use. Teaching creates clarity. Clarity builds trust. Trust leads to action. That's the entire sequence. Authority isn't about knowing everything. It's about being willing to share what you're learning, what's working, what didn't work, and how you're improving. If you're one step ahead of someone else, you can teach them. You do not need permission, credentials, or perfection to educate. You only need experience and honesty. When you teach consistently, your audience starts to see you as a guide instead of just another person posting online. That shift is powerful. Most beginners think they need to cram everything into one video. That overwhelms people. Instead, authority is built through bite-sized education. One problem, one insight, one solution, that's it. Think micro lessons, not masterclasses. A simple structure you can use is this. Share one quick tip, explain it clearly in one or two sentences, then give one way someone can apply it today. That's teaching. That's authority. That's content people save, share, and come back for. For example, instead of saying, here's how to build an online business, you teach one thing like, one reason most people struggle online is they post randomly instead of intentionally. Then explain what intentional posting means and give one action step. That creates an immediate win for the viewer. Wins build trust. Another way to teach is by sharing mistakes. Authority isn't built by pretending you're perfect. It's built by showing growth. When you say, here's what I used to do wrong and what I do differently now, people lean in, they relate, they trust you more. Teaching also reinforces your own confidence. When you explain something out loud, you internalize it deeper. That's why people who teach grow faster than people who only consume. Teaching positions you as someone who leads instead of someone who watches from the sidelines. Over time, your audience begins to associate your name with clarity. When they feel confused, they think of you. When they want guidance, they trust you. That's authority. Education also shortens the buying cycle. People don't buy because they're pressured. They buy because they understand. Teaching removes confusion. Confusion kills conversions. Education eliminates confusion. When someone understands how something works and why it matters, taking action feels safer. This applies to any niche, any offer, any platform. Whether you're teaching content creation, fitness, mindset, marketing, or personal growth, the principle is the same. Teach simply, teach honestly, teach consistently. Authority compounds. You don't need viral content to build authority. You need useful content. A small audience that trusts you is more powerful than a large audience that doesn't. So your action for today is simple. Teach one thing, one lesson you've learned, one mistake you've corrected, one insight that made something easier. Record a short video or write a post that starts with a clear hook, delivers one piece of value, and ends with a simple takeaway or invitation to learn more. Over time, these small educational moments stack. This is how you move from being someone who posts to someone who people listen to. Authority is earned through service. Teach to serve, and trust will follow.